Good morning. Good morning. Hey, good morning. Appreciate it, y'all. all the time. You didn't know I put yogurt in it? Go get another shirt, man. You got stains all over it, man. Maybe we should add a mango smoothie. What y'all think? Mango smoothie. You want some or what?
I do.
You want it in this little cup?
What did you put in it?
Everything what I usually put in there. I just put chocolate this time. Here.
What's chocolate? What's the
Milk.
chocolate in it?
Here. Cheers. Cheers. Tell everybody cheers. Say good morning.
Good morning.
Cheers.
Cheers.
That's how you make a kid drink a smoothie, y'all. Show everybody you can drink. Show them. Show them how you like drinking it with your dad. Say cheers, everybody. That's how you get strong, man. You get all your nutrients like this, man. Make you think at school. Make you run fast. Make you jump higher. Everything.
Do you remember the moon pie?
Mm-hmm.
We made it work on that.
Yeah. That's how you drink some smoothies with your son.
We will get money.
Cheers. Cheers to y'all. Come on, let's chug it up. Yeah. And that's how you get your kid to drink sea moss, guys. Show everybody your cup. Drink it. You're almost done. You want more? No more? You good? Full? You full? All right, give me 5, man. That's my boy. Go put your jacket on. Put your shoes on.
I like that smoothie.
You want more?
No, I'm fine.
Okay.
That was good.
Mm-hmm. What's up, Mississippi? How y'all doing? We just over here drinking up some good old smoothies, man. Got to stay powered up. Got to get your energy going in the morning. So it's best to get a whole bunch of fruit. You got to get a whole bunch. Yeah, I put oatmeal in here. I put oatmeal in the smoothie. Let me show you. Yeah, I put the oatmeal in here. So this is like careful, like oatmeal. And I put it in the juice. Mix it up with bananas and a whole lot of other vegetables. Kiwi, mango, kale. It's good. So yeah, I got my oatmeal in there too. Yeah, them oatmeal. I don't really like oatmeal like that. I do. The only reason I don't like oatmeal because I used to be locked up. And it just reminds me of being incarcerated. So this is the only way I can really kind of take oatmeal now. Like my kids love it though. See, you got a big box right here. Big old box of oatmeal. Right there.
Can you cook it?
No, we don't have time. Yeah. No, Summer.